my take on the KZN property market, especially the coastal areas, which would be Umhlanga, Durban, Umhloti, and further north, is at the moment we're in a growth phase. So there's certainly a demand, and compared to the last few years, obviously we're coming out of the recession, markets picked up tremendously, but cautious expectations. In other words, buyers that are buying are discerning. They don't want to spend over a certain amount of money. You obviously get the top end, but the demand is more in the lower to middle group. A lot of interest from out of towners, like the Gautengis. We have a lot of buyers from Joburg, and that's propped the market up big time. Also, the gateway area itself is busy. There's a lot of employment that's created, a lot of new developments. We've got a new development called Kunubia that's going to last 20 years. It takes up all the way from Umhlanga into close to the airport. There's a Dubai port, huge billions of rands being spent there, and all that development is going to need more accommodation. So in the next 20 years, we can see growth, like phenomenal growth in the Umhlanga area, and we hope that obviously we can cope with that demand, and the area must develop in line with that. In other words, your traffic assessments and your infrastructure and things got to be looked at. And then just commenting about the difference, I think, between KZN and Cape Town and Johannesburg. I think, from my mind, we're specialists in the KZN area. There is a bigger demand in KZN at the moment. Unlike a few years ago, 5 years ago, when Durban was lagging behind. I think the Durban market's caught up, if not overtaken some of the other markets. Prices have pushed up. Rental prices have gone really high, in line with almost Sandton rentals. And the difference is in the Umhlanga area, in the demand areas, you can't even get accommodation. So you've got to be on a waiting list, waiting for a flat. And that's obviously pushed the investors to buy more flats, and obviously helped us as developers. Holiday homes, great in certain areas, great in Umhlanga, Belito, Umhloti, that whole stretch, because once again you get the guys coming down from Joburg, looking for partners. And it's not only on holidays, they come down on a weekend, on a Friday, go back on a Sunday. Hospitality, I'm also involved in the hospitality industry. We've created a few hotels around Umhlanga. One of them is a self-catered hotel, obviously appeals to the holiday makers. And we almost guarantee to be full every weekend now, showing you the sort of exodus from the outlying areas, even Richards Bay, the interior, St. Lucia, all those places coming down, migrating to Durban over the weekends, because there's always something happening in Durban. Beach is always there, and it's tremendous. I mean, it's great to be part of that.